morning, Bears. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, Bears.
Woo! Congratulations to the seniors on senior night. Just a reminder that next week is parent-teacher conferences on Wednesday and Thursday. The yearbook is now on sale for $65, which is good up to March 20th. After March 20th, it will be going up to $75. Don't miss out while it's on sale right now. Senior ads are going to be due March 1st. Anything after March 1st will not be accepted. Seniors, make sure you're checking out the Class Of page and keeping track of your emails. To move on, here are a few clips from our potential future Bears TV students.
How well do you know your partner?
I would say pretty well.
Okay, who's his favorite artist?
Daniel Caesar.
Okay, what's your favorite artist?
I think just teenage.
Okay. And how well do you know your partner?
Very well.
Okay, who do you think is her favorite artist?
Junior H.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, now who is your favorite artist?
Daniel Caesar.
Hey guys, it's Evelyn
and Eli,
and we're auditioning for Bears TV.
Oh my gosh, you are so loud.
Oh, you want us to be more quiet?
This is our ASMR segment for Bears TV. For Bears to ASMR.
What's going on, man? My name is Saul, aka Saul Williams, aka Miss Sutton's favorite student, whose name is Saul. So if you need anyone to like spit some hippity hip hop, fire lit, swag, hip bars, you know who to call.
I think we're meant to be. I don't care if you live an hour away, 54 miles just to get to your place. Go through anything just for you, just for you.
A segment idea that I have for Bears TV is... What are you doing? I'm trying to find my brush that I used to shower with. Oh. What's it doing here? Can't you see I'm trying to record a video for Bears TV? Bears TV? You know, I think I should be on Bears TV. Just look at me. You think I look like I could be the next Jackie or Nyland? You look like a dude, bro. Come on. Here, I'm gonna show you my intro. Hey guys, my name is Mevelin, aka your bestie from the Westie, and welcome to Bears TV. Yeah, no.
Hey guys, it's Kayla
And Lily,
and this is our segment of Bears TV. Before we start, we'd like to tell you why we should be on Bears TV. First of all, we are creative, collaborative, and cheerful. Who are we here with?
Addison.
Okay, Addison, what's in your backpack?
Well, I got some Cookie Crisp that you gave me.
Nice.
I got 2 Neatos, and I have Shy's socks that I never gave back to her.
That's super interesting, thank you.
who am I here with?
Ryan.
Can you tell me what's in your backpack?
I have my Crumble gift card and one second, a band t-shirt.
So you're gonna buy me Crumble?
Yeah, no.
Who am I here with?
Annika.
Can you tell me what's in your backpack?
Sure, if you feel like tasting the rainbow, I have Skittles. And I also have setting spray.
Can I get some of that?
Sure.
Thank you.
We're asking people's opinion on school lunch. What's your opinion on school lunches?
I like it a lot. I just believe that the lines could be done a little bit better.
Is there anything that you like specifically about the school lunch?
I would say the cafeteria workers are really nice.
Is something you don't like?
Like I mentioned last time, lines. It's too crowded.
Peak.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Bears TV. My name is Jordan.
And Sophie.
And we have who here? Let me see.
Eddie.
Eddie. And today we're gonna be showing off some soccer skills. Are you gonna like 1v1 me shit?
Oh shoot.
Think
That's all we have for you guys this week. Bears out.